beautiful it is today, man. Just have a look at that. Sorry about the wind as well, guys. Let's make it quick while the wind is kind of not too bad. That's the vehicle that we have here. Right, guys, this is the sort of car that I'm dealing with nowadays. As you can see, this car looks absolutely stunning. It's got about 39,000 on the clock, category N, but the damage on it is very minor. I do apologize about the wind, but we'll make it quick while we are here. Very minor damage to the front of the car. We do have the grille in the boot, so we will be putting that in. There's no damage to the grille, but let's have a quick little walk around. And you can see it's not been cleaned. Car's just been purchased, just picked it up as well. And as you can see, really clean. 39,000 on this car. The interior is like new. The engine bay is like new. The car itself is like new. We do have some markings over here as well, so there's not too much markings on it. And passenger door, everything, as you can see, again, perfect. You know, it's really clean car, and this is sort of what I'm into nowadays. This got really low mileage. It's got 2 keys on it. It's got full service history as well. Let me just show you the interior of it as well. The interior is really nice, man. We will get back in the car, you know, have a look at that door, the door cards, you know, look at the steering. There's the mileage there, 39.5, just say 40,000, really low. Interior, absolutely stunning. Just needs a good clean, some nice mats. I mean, have a look at the lever on the gear stick and the handbrake, really nice. So let's get back in it. The trim interior, I mean, the champagne on it. I love the piano black. The seats, really nice. I do love the champagne center, and I do love the piano black on it as well. Really nice. I mean, look at the lever on, you know, the gear knob, the lever on the gear stick, on the handbrake. You know, this is absolutely mint. It's really clean car. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is make sure you have a plan. Buy cars that are better quality. You can't always get decent stuff like this, you know, but my point is, it doesn't matter what you have. It doesn't matter about the mileage. Just buy something that's going to take a lot less for you to get prepped for, you know, for sale. Make sure the car is mechanically sound. Best of all, you know, what I'm trying to say is have an idea, have a plan, and make sure you stick to that plan, because don't just go in it saying, I want to be a car trader and buy every little car that you see on the road, because sometimes that's going to make you sit and wait for that to sell, and it's going to really put you off. And, you know, you don't want to be put off something that takes time. Car trading is not an overnight thing. So everything you do in car trading takes some time. So, yeah, guys, my advice is have a plan and, you know, just keep on moving forward, because it's a slow process, but we all get there. A year later, I've not got anywhere, but it has got me a lot more better cars that I'm really proud of. It has kept me really busy, and I enjoy being busy. And, you know, I've met a lot of good people along the way. And, you know, a year is only the start of it. I'm now at the point with the vehicles I have that, you know, when I do start selling them, I could start taking some kind of wage from it, because 15 vehicles, majority of them are really good quality stuff. And they should, in return, give me a good profit, because I can't hold any more than 15 vehicles anyway. So everything I have now is going to be a good process, and I can start taking money, keeping it back in the bank, keeping money back in the bank, and getting better stock. I'm sticking with the cars that I am dealing with nowadays, and I like that sort of thing. So make sure, guys, if you're not subscribed, hit subscribe, and I will do another video with a bit more structure to it when I get time. It's a bit of a hot day. I've just been driving for ages to pick up this vehicle, so I will end the video now, and I will see people in another video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you like the Corsa that I got, man. Comment below, tell me what you think of this car, and tell me what you think I paid for it. Tell me what you think it's worth. I will continue the video at another stage. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll do a proper video on the car, proper walk around, and I'll run through the numbers, what I did pay for it. So in today's video, if you want to just guess what you think it's worth and what you think I paid for it, just comment below and let me know. Anyways, I'll see you people in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.